Whenever you open up Inkscape for the first time, it will create a new blank document for you. If you need to create a new document, you can always go to File and go to New. Since we already have a blank document, we're going to go ahead and go to Save As and save this document. I'm going to save this in my project files with the rest of my files, and I'm going to call it Sea Turtle Artwork. And save. And so you always want to hold on to the SVG version of your artwork when you're working on a digital fabrication project, because that's the vector file that you will use to set up your production on a vinyl cutter or a laser cutter or a CNC machine. This is also the file format that's native to Inkscape, and so you want to hold on to it if you might ever want to go back and edit or manipulate or change the design for some reason. And so I've got this saved, and so the next thing I need to do is go ahead and set up my document properties for this project. And so I'll go back to the File menu, I'll go to Document Properties, and so you can see that there are a lot of different tabs here, and each of these has a different set of properties. Most of the time you'll make most of your changes under Page, and so we're going to change the display units and the orientation units here both to inches, and then I'm going to change the custom size to 10 inches wide by 10 inches in height. And so then we can just close this window once we're done, and we can see now that we've got our resized document. If we want to zoom in a little bit, I can click on Resize to Page here. And so now we're ready to do the next step for this project, which is setting up project layers.